Broadcasting is a big job. Replay is also a really big part of that.
Replay is given a chance to relive a live event.
With the 3P2 and the 8 channels, this is our first year using that. That has been incredible.
I really like the 3-play system because it's so fast to be able to scrub back. I can get a replay out like 2 seconds after they made the basket.
Our replay machine makes our productions head and shoulders above what they could be without it.
You can slow it down, you can speed it up, you can see down to the very little bit if somebody's toe is on a three-point line.
Because we provide the official replay for the officials in our league, having a replay machine that is capable of doing that means that, for better or worse, teams that play at Fort Hays are going to get a more well-officiated game.
One of my favorite things to do is when you play a foul, I like to slow it down at the time of the foul, so that way you can really see the physical contact that happened.
We can do things beyond the basic because of the gear we have. But we also have great students that can jump in and use it.
So I've done cameras, I've done tech directing, video board, a little bit of directing, but I mostly just do replay. It took me like 3-4 games to really get the hang of it, and now it's my favorite thing to do.